How to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat application on your device. The first step to follow is simply you can remove unnecessary friends. For that, launch Snapchat and log into your account. Tap Profile by tapping your avatar at top left corner of the screen. Now scroll down. On your Friends section, select My Friends and you have to find the friend that you want to remove. Simply press and hold, then select Manage Friendship and tap Remove Friend or Block. This will free up space to add new friends. Tap Remove button. The second step you can follow is simply you can contact the Snapchat support. For that, tap the gear icon from this profile feed and then go to Settings. Scroll down to bottom of the screen and then tap Help Center. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Contact Us. Follow the prompts and select Profiles and Communities, then tap My Profile. After that, you have to complete the form with a username, email, mobile number, device type, and describe your issue. Example, unable to add more friends, please help result. And alternatively, consider subscribing to Snapchat Plus to increase your friends limit as well. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.